Today we're going to talk about how useful featherboards are for safety and convenience on table saws and band saws. My name is Shiraz Balolia and I'm the founder and president of Grizzly Industrial. We're filming this in my woodworking shop at home. Quite often you have some narrow or odd-sized boards where you need to make precise cuts whilst keeping your fingers away and also preventing a kickback. At Grizzly, we offer a line of magnetic-based featherboards that can be located just about anywhere on the cast iron table of your table saw. Remember that these magnetic-based featherboards will not work on aluminum tables. My saw is also equipped with a riving knife which will remain on the saw. However, as you can see, I have removed the blade guard so you can get a better visual during this video. Normally I use board buddies on my table saw fence, which help keep the boards pressed down and also against the fence. And now I'm also going to add a featherboard to it. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the board buddies and the featherboard. As you can see, it's a nice fit. This is snug against the fence here, so the board's not going to waver, and the board buddy is going to hold it down. As it exits the other side, it's going to be held down by this outboard board buddy. So I'll go ahead and make a cut right now. You saw that by using this setup, my hands were completely out of harm's way. Now we have a situation where I want to cut a thin and narrow piece. I also don't want the piece to move or drag on the blade, as I want the cut to be clean and not have any burn marks along the edge. You basically get one shot at it. In this case, I'm going to use the hold-down accessory for the magnetic featherboard and run the piece through that way. Now, as you can see, this board is tight against the fence as well as snug against the table. As you can see, the cut is squeaky clean. I mean, this is a perfect cut. That's what you want. As you saw in my last cut, I had a push stick pushing down as we went past the blade. Sometimes you don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and use another featherboard on the back half of the saw blade. When you're working on a bandsaw, whether it's a general cutting or resawing, you can attach this magnetic featherboard and use it to keep pressure against the fence to prevent drifting. The cut is so clean that you cannot even see the blade mark. The resaw has left a nice book-matched piece. Now let's take a look at the T26-933. I've shown only a couple of basic uses of these versatile featherboards. There are multiple other accessories available for this very versatile line. Visit grizzly.com for the full selection.